Decision fatigue. In our world today, I am convinced we all suffer from making too many decisions. Decision fatigue is what happens when you're making dozens, probably hundreds of choices all day long. Clients, cases, people, problems. And by the time marketing comes up, your brain is done. That's why marketing feels heavy, inconsistent, or easy to postpone. Not because it's unimportant, but because it requires energy you've already spent. If you've had to narrow things down to just 3 areas to focus on, I would start here. First, your message. Be clear about who you help and what problem you solve. Second, your relationships. Focus on a small group of referral sources you actually want to deepen. And then third, your cadence. Decide how often you'll show up and stick to something that's sustainable. Focus on starting small. Fewer decisions, more intention. That's how you build momentum.